I'm going to tell you the king of knowledge. Because the first 6 chapters is karma and yoga. And the 7th chapter is moving towards the bhakti. And 8th chapter is getting us to understand something about Krishna and about death, about dying. Ante kale chamam nityam kalevaram. So then 9th chapter, 9, 10, 11, 12, this is the bhakti tattva. So Krishna, I'm going to start telling you secrets. Then later he tells the guya, that's Rajaguyam. Then he tells the guya, then he tells what is the guyam. He said, this is the king of secrets. And later he tells this is the guyam. Then he says, this is the guyatara. Then he says, this is the guyatam. Then he says, this is the sarva guyatamam. There's 4 secrets. First he said, this is the king of secrets. There's 4 kings of secrets. So the idea of secrets comes out in the first verse of chapter 9. And then from 9 to 18, and number 18, Krishna tells us sarva guyattamam. You understand? The topmost of all secrets. Sarva guya. Guya means gufa. Gufa, cave, secret, hidden. Secrets. And what is that? That's the question. Manmana bhavamad bhaktyo mam yaji namaskaru mame vaishasi satyam te pratijane priyosime. Pratijane priyosime. We should be priyajana, priya bhakt of Krishna. And bhakti, priti, prem. Priti means rati. Rati means bhav. Bhakti, rati, priti. You ever heard of bhakti sandarbha? Then there's priti sandarbha. Right? So priti means prem or bhav. Bhakti sandarbha is about guru tattva and about sadhana and about navavida bhakti. Many subjects are there. Qualities of guru, qualities of shishya, sadhana. So this, we should know the basic Bhagavad Gita. So this is the essence and the topmost secret of all secrets. This is the king of all knowledge. And this is the real thing. So when Lord Chaitanya is meeting Ramananda Roy and he's asking him, Lord Chaitanya, what is the goal of life and how to attain it? And Ramananda Roy says, Sarva Dharman Prityaja Mamekam. He quotes Gita 1865. And what does Lord Chaitanya says? No, I don't accept that. That's external, go higher. Karma Samarpanam, Tyag, Sannyas, surrendering everything to Krishna. No, it's more than that. So then finally, he gets to bhakti. He says, Dasya bhakti, Vaikuntha bhakti. And Lord Chaitanya says, this is good. Bhakti is good. This is part of the goal of life, but go further. It doesn't say go higher, go further. Well, there's Dasya bhakti and Vaikuntha, but there's Dasya Ras and Braj Mandal, and then there's, go further, there's Sakhi Ras, go further. There's Vatsali Ras, go further, there's Madhuri Ras. Lord Chaitanya said, yes, this is the goal of life. The goal of life is Madhura Rati, the amorous, intimate affairs of Radha and Krishna, Gopis and Vrindavan. Yes, this is the topmost goal of life. Now, how do you attain this Madhura Rati? How do you actually get this? And then Ramananda Ray starts speaking all about Raganuga Bhakti. And this is Lord Chaitanya teaching Gaudiya Tattva Siddhanta. This is the Tattva Siddhanta, Madhya Lila chapter 8, way back in the beginning. This is Snatan Shiksha, Ramananda Ray. And that's 8 Madhya Lila, chapter 8, verse 228, 229. Then he says, Siradeya Chinta, Ratri Dine, Siradeya Chinta, Ratri Dine, Radha Krishna Vihar. You know, Biharis? You know Bihar? So Bihar means enjoy and pleasure, Bihari, Rasa Vihari. Banki Bihari Lal ki Jai. Rasa Vihari Lal ki Jai. Rasa Vihari Lal is in Juhu. Why Bombay deities are called Rasa Vihari? Very far from Yamuna Pulina. Jamuna Pulina.